Hey, how's it going everyone? Today I will be showing you how to cast any video from your iDevice. So the first step is to go to your app store, type in Rocket, and then you're going to see a bunch of apps that you don't need, then click on Rocket Video Cast. Click on the download button. So give it a couple seconds to download and exit and okay, so now that you have the app downloaded, open up Safari, go to your preferred website where you would like to stream any movies. So in this case, I'm using F Movies. I will provide the link in the description. So once you are on your preferred website, you're going to select a video. So scroll down, let's see, let's watch a scary movie, The Nun, Predator, Jack Black movie. Alright, let's pick that one. So the reason why I'm going through Safari in the first place is just that before we go using the Rocket app, I would like to find the URL of the movie, and Safari has a way superior ad blocking software than the app. So in my case, I would like to go to the link on Safari first and then use the app secondary. So now just copy the link, exit Safari, go into the Rocket app, and once everything loads, just don't allow this permission. So click on the URL, paste the copied URL, then once it loads, you're gonna see an error, so dismiss that, and then you're gonna click on the play button. So now that you tapped on the play button, you're gonna see another small button on the top left of the screen, and this is the button that's gonna allow you to cast the video to your Chromecast. So once you see the tap button, you're gonna click on it, and it seems like the way that this app works is that there's a script in the back end that detects any video that's being played on that page. So once a video is being played, you're going to see the button, and then it's going to tell you what do you want me to do with this video. So in this case, one option is to download, the other is to cast, and the other one is to copy. I do not condone downloading the video. I mean, that's unsafe. 100% of the time I would just cast it. Another good sign is that you're going to see the title of the movie usually on the top bar of the menu. So in this case it says "Watch the House with the Clock" in the gray text. So that's when you know that it did detect the video and it's ready to give you the options of what to do with it. So now you're going to click on the Cast Now button, then your video is going to load up. So give it a couple seconds or minutes to load up. So now you're going to select your Chromecast. So you're going to click on whichever one you want. And it's connecting to your Chromecast. And there you go. So now the video should be loading on your TV. This method also works on TV shows, movies. As long as it's a video, I think it should work. I think it would prefer it be a MP4 file, but I'm not too sure. But give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you're having any issues. If you want more content, please like and sub this channel, and catch you in the next one.